Good evening, everyone. We now have concluded 5 whole weeks of classes in an 8-week course. This is the equivalent of 5/8 of the course, or 2 months and a half of the class in a regular semester. After this week, we have 2 more weeks left in the course. Such is the nature of the fast-paced 8-week course. Hope you had a good weekend. So here we go on to week 6. Here are some items for you to be aware of for this week. Please take a look at the calendar below. Again, look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. We have 1 new chapter and 2 more assignments. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, or exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar or Blackboard. Here's a summary of what is coming due this week. Map quiz number 3, Europe, Russian Federation, Central Asia, is available today, Monday, the 7th, May 7th, and is due Saturday, May 12th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 3 will be available Wednesday, May 9th, and is due Sunday, May 13th by 11:59. 8 people did not submit either the Geography News or Special Topics number 3 discussions that were due last weekend. Each is worth 50 points. And when you can still submit them, the later away from the deadline that you submitted, the more points that will be taken off. 3 or 4 of you have either not submitted any of these assignments or are missing either 1 or 2 discussions. Please remember to log in the course at least once a day so I can see that you are active in the class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course, and it tells me whether you're active in the class or not. 4 students will be receiving a final warning that since they have not logged in for more than 2 weeks. If I don't get a response by tomorrow, these students will be dropped from the course tomorrow. We also have about 3 students who are missing map quizzes or exams that's showing inactivity in the course and likely will be dropped from the course. Highly concerning is the fact that about 13 students are missing reflections. When you signed up for an 8-week course, you knew that this was going to be fast-paced. We are now less than 3 weeks before the class ends, and if these assignments are not turned in, it is going to hurt your final grade. So get them done, even if points are deducted for lateness. Have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you online. Yes, Samuel Cortez.